how you can revamp your kitchen without doing any addition. Hi, this is Ali with EA Home Design. We are in the beautiful kitchen in Ashburn, Virginia. And this kitchen wasn't look like this at all, and we changed everything in this kitchen without doing any addition, and the whole kitchen look is different. Okay, I'm gonna go over everything here. The window was here, another window was here, and the sink was in this position a little bit to this side. What we done, we closed the two windows and we add a very big, huge window on the center and put the sink under the middle of the window. The dishwasher on the right side, trash can on the other side. And we brought the very nice, beautiful 48-inch induction range here with a beautiful hood. This is a wooden hood, box wooden hood that make the kitchen a little bit more fancier and nicer. This oven, this range has two ovens, one on the right side, one on the left side, 130, 118, and the whole top is induction, which is very nice and very beautiful. The cabinets on the both sides are very symmetric. Here was a smaller opening to the dining room and was a pantry here.
Polishing, this is good for you and for me.
We had the beautiful fridge, 48-inch, and we had the pantry here. And on this side, we had a beautiful bar area with a different color to break the look. All the glass door with the very nice brushed gold handles and beautiful sink. This is a very nice hot water heater filtration system. And here we have a very beautiful wine cooler. The microwave is in the island, and it's a drawer microwave, which is very popular these days. And one of the things that I want to show you is this beautiful display cabinet with all metal door. If you check, you see there is no partition or anything in the middle. It's a full door, all black full door, and a nice metal door with a nice handle on top of it. This is it. This is what we done. We get the beautiful island in the center. The lighting and everything is much better than before. Thank you so much. Please comment us below. And if you have any question, contact us.